for a near-capacity crowd here at the Fairgrounds Arena in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm Mike Duncan with cameraman Mike Shields, and this is the first of two big matches of the night. Mr. Suzuki, the little rugged star from Japan, has put up $200 in order to once again meet George Gulas in the ring. $200 he'll throw out to the crowd if he fails to defeat George Gulas. One fall, no time limit, no disqualification. Momentum swinging to the side now. George Gulas slamming the star from Japan, Mr. Suzuki. No time limit, no disqualification, and what's been some kind of an exciting match. Momentum swinging back and forth. Now, however, I believe George Gulas has it on his side. Mr. Suzuki, should he lose tonight, forfeits $200 to the crowd. Gulas sends him into those ropes. A towering back body drop levels Mr. Suzuki. Another big crowd, standing room only, here to see this one. Count reach two. Mr. Suzuki able to kick out. Very important match here at the Fairgrounds Arena. The last meeting these two men had, Mr. Suzuki lost his hair. Mr. Suzuki, combination judo chops to the midsection and throws George Gulas right in front of us. 1, 2. George Gulas, a popular young star here from here in Nashville, able to kick out of that one. Referee Tally Sloan watching this one ever so closely. As it means $200 to Mr. Suzuki should he lose it. George Gulas sends him into those turnbuckles, and that one moved the ring a little bit. Some kind of match. And again, Suzuki sent into those turnbuckles. George Gulas has him trapped in that corner where they're going to work on the young guy. Suzuki going to his tights. The referee knocks away. Suzuki using some salt. George Gulas blinded by salt. Suzuki with the cover. Referee Sloan is saved. 2, 3. That'll do it. Mr. Suzuki pulls salt from his tights. Threw it into the eyes of George Gulas. A dazed George Gulas all over ringside. As what a kind of event. A kind of event. Unbelievable here. At ringside, George Gulas having salt thrown in his eyes is blinded by it, enabling Mr. Suzuki to take a win here at the Fairgrounds in this match for $200. George Gulas here in front of us, blinded by the use of the salt from Mr. Suzuki. As I mentioned, some kind of match in a strange turn of events. And George just about had him beaten. Suzuki pulls salt from his tights. Right here in front of us, George Gulas, still blinded and unable to move around. George Gulas out of the crowd, blinded. But that's all. Again, Mr. Suzuki wins it by the use of the salt. Right here in front of us, a down George Gulas. Some kind of tactic by the little guy from Japan, Mr. Suzuki. Out on the floor, George Gulas, blinded. Being escorted out of the dressing room by several bystanders. It's about all we can say now. Some kind of turn of events. Mr. Suzuki wins it by the use of the salt. Right.